What up, lads? Let's make sweet potato gnocchi. So guys, this is what we're gonna need. We're gonna need some sweet potatoes. We're gonna need plain flour, pine nuts, nutritional yeast, black pepper, salt, olive oil, fresh basil, and some nice tomatoes and garlic. Alright? We are gonna start off by the sweet potatoes because we need to cook them. We're going to cook them the easy way. So just gonna cut them in half. Then gonna poke them with a fork like that. Make some holes like that. So we're gonna make the same thing on all of them. Then we're gonna stick them into the microwave. Okay guys, so you can listen to my microwave, so the potatoes are on. Why I'm doing this because it's better to cook them on the microwave so I have less moisture inside the potatoes, so I need to use less flour to make the gnocchis. But meanwhile that they're cooking, we're gonna toast the pine nuts, add some olive oil to the skillet, spread it around. Drop the pine nuts in. Let them get some nice toasted color. I'm gonna use the same skillet to grill our tomatoes. So wait, set this aside. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna add in here our tomatoes. Gonna add a few garlic cloves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe smash them. So just give them a crack like that with the knife. Crack, 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 crack. Just add them here into the pot. Olive oil on the top of the tomatoes. Beautiful. Pinch of salt. Some black pepper as well. Then I have my oven on already on high with the salamander on. So that's where we're gonna put this baby now. Oh, it's warm. So there you go. Salamander on. Let's toast these tomatoes. Now we just wait for the potatoes to be cooked. Keep an eye on the tomatoes so they don't get burned. And that's it, stay alert. These tomatoes are fast. You just want them to crack the skin like they did already. Careful with smoke. Woo! And they're done. Baby. That's how we want it. See, the skin has cracked. So that's it, it's really fast. Let's check potatoes. So they have been here for 10 minutes. Yeah, they're soft. Pretty much cooked. So we're gonna take them out and let's work with them. So with them still hot, what we're gonna do, have a bowl here, potatoes, and I'm gonna scoop out the flesh. Woo! Oh, it's too hot. Maybe if I use a knife. See, so we've got the skin. The skin we're not gonna use. Here I have the potatoes, right? So that's what we're gonna do. Have all the flesh here, now we need to mash it. And believe me, I don't have a potato masher at home, that's a shame. So I'm gonna try to do a miracle with this wooden spoon and a fork. Beautiful. Gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper here. Gonna enter with my flour in here. Gonna sieve the flour. So I'm gonna put half of it, and with my hands, I'm gonna start working this. It's looking good, but I'm gonna need the other half. You use the flour to clean your hands. Okay, time to leave the bowl. Gonna need a little bit more flour. And to get a mixture like this, it's okay. I don't like to add too much flour because I don't want to be like a bread. And now I'm gonna cut this in pieces, maybe 4. More flour, then we're gonna open and cut into the gnocchis. Cut this baby in 4. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna open up this like a rope. Rolling, 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 rolling. Like that, so like 1 thumb thick. We're gonna make 4 of these. Two. So guys, here I have it. 4 ropes. I don't want them to look beautiful or perfect. That's more my style of doing this. Okay, my hands are still dirty, it doesn't matter. Now we're gonna cut them. So you just align them like that, and then the endings, you're not gonna throw this, but then you choose the thickness. I put more or less like a thumb, and then I cut it, cut, cut. So guys, I have some salty water boiling here. Then I'm gonna drop some of the gnocchis here to cook. And when we know they're good, so we're gonna drop them. And when they start to flow, then we know they're good. We take them out, put here, toss some olive oil, and after we're gonna give some color to them in this pan here. So there we have it, floating babies. So they're floating. Take out. Dart them up with a little bit of olive oil so they don't stick. And keep on doing. Now guys, that's why I didn't want this to burn, because now we're gonna take out the tomatoes from this. We're gonna take out the garlic, which is really soft. And now we have a skillet full of flavor. And then we're gonna give some color to our gnocchis. So we just heat up this skillet. And we're gonna get these gnocchis. And we're gonna finish them on the skillet to give them some color. We place them here to get some nice caramelization. When they start to get some nice color like that, start flipping them. Okay guys, so when they get the right color, I'm gonna turn it off. And the beauty of this dish is that the cooking skillet where I'm cooking all this is the same one that we're gonna serve it. So just organize them nice. The beauty is you have all this garlic, tomatoes, everything, all the flavors in here. You have the flavor of the toast almonds on the oil, so this is beautiful. This is nice. So just put back the garlic for the lovers. Then we put back our tomatoes, or better. I'm gonna sprinkle some of the nutritional yeast over the top. Gonna sprinkle some of the toasted pine nuts. Oh Madonna. Then we place some of the roasted tomatoes. Some fresh basil, and happiness is here, baby. Moment of truth, guys. Let's get this baby in here. Some basil. This is class. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down on the comments below. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook, and you have everything on your hand like that. Description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand. Easy, easy cooking.